Bismillahirrahmanirrahim. Assalamu alaikum. I hope you all are fine and staying safe and happy. I am your social study teacher, Ms. Farheen, and I welcome you all to your social study class. My dear students, as you know that we are on unit number 5 and the name of our unit is Geography. We are on part number 1 of this unit. So my dear students, in today's lecture, we are going to discuss about the bolts. This is lecture number 6. So my dear students, before we will start the lecture, let's quickly recap what we did in the previous lecture. So my dear students, we were discussing about the cardinal directions, the 4 directions, and we also discussed about the intermediate directions. So what are cardinal directions? So these are the directions on the compass rose that we see: north, east, west, and south. So my dear students, now let's quickly move forward towards an activity. So here you can see the map of the Pakistan. This is the political map of the Pakistan, which have all the cities and the provinces of the map. So quickly tell me the elements of the map that you can see. So number 1, this is the title. This is the direction or the orientation. Here is the scale. This is the legend. So these are the different elements of a map that we studied earlier. So आज हम इन्हीं को denote करेंगे as bolts. यानी कि bolts किस लिए use होते हैं एक map के अंदर, we will discuss that. So my dear students, label the key elements of the given map. We have already done that. Now let's quickly move forward towards the student learning outcome for today. So in today's lecture, the students will be able to explain the concept of bolts with the help of a map. So my dear students, हम key elements को already discuss कर चुके हैं. ये bolts जो हैं ये उसी से related हैं. ये किस चीज़ के लिए किस चीज़ का मुखफ़फ़ है, ये किसका abbreviation है, we will discuss that. So my dear students, the pre-reading question. So quickly tell me what are the different key elements of a map? Title, scale, legend, orientation or the direction. So my dear students, let's start the reading. So in today's lecture, quickly open page 78 on your social 4 books. I hope everybody has opened the page. So now let's start the reading. Put your fingers where I will read. So bolts, border, orientation, legend, title and scale. So ये देखें, ये तमाम जो elements हैं ये उनका मुखफ़फ़ है, उनका abbreviation है. So अभी हमने border के बारे में नहीं पढ़ा. We will discuss the border today. Bolts stand for border, orientation or direction, legend, title or and scale of a map. They are the 5 essential features of a map as shown in the figure. So here's the figure: border, orientation, legend, title, scale. So ये 5 वो एलिमेंट हैं जो कि आपके मैप के अंदर जरूरी होते हैं. यानी कि ये जो मैप को सराउंड कर रही है लाइन, दिस इज कॉल्ड द बॉर्डर ऑफ द मैप. So the borders, it is the outer border of a map. The border of the map should be visible and separate from the other text or illustrations surrounding a map. So एक line border जो है ड्रॉ किया जाता है और इसके अंदर जो है वो मैप बनाया जाता है ताकि इसको बाकी टेक्स्ट से और इलस्ट्रेशन से सेपरेट किया जा सके. So this is the border of the map. This is the border. So orientation, it is the direction of the compass placed on the map. Direction is one of the key elements of the map. So the compass rose directions drawn on the map, these are called the orientation: north, east, west and south. Then comes the legend. The list of the colors, symbols and signs used to show different features on a map is the legend. It is also called a key feature of the map. So my dear students, एक legend जो है ये मैप को रीड करने में यूज होता है. मुख्तलिफ लाइन्स और कलर्स जिससे डिनोट किया होता है आपके मैप के अंदर चीज़ों को, उसको हम legend कहते हैं. ये की फीचर है टू नोट अ मैप. सो यहाँ दिस इज द legend given in the map. So ये different कलर्स से जो है मुख्तलिफ जगहों को रिप्रेजेंट कर रहा है. Then comes the title. The title gives us an instant brief of the map. It shows that what is explained in the map or what is the map about. So my dear students, the top title होता है जिससे मैप के बारे में पता होता है, चलता है कि ये मैप किस बारे में है. Whether it shows the provinces, the international borders, the railway system of the Pakistan. So that is the title of the map, जिससे हमें जल्दी से पता चल जाता है कि ये मैप किस बारे में है. So this is the title of the map. ये climate map है पाकिस्तान का. Then comes the scale. As maps are drawn to a smaller scale, the shape of the map's feature remains the same, yet their size has been reduced. To understand their actual size on the map, scale is used. So my dear students, basically आपको पता है कि मैप जो है ये किसी बड़ी जगह की छोटी तरीके से उसको शो किया जाता है इन अ स्मॉलर फॉर्म. सो स्केल इसलिए ड्रॉ किया जाता है ताकि आपको उसका एक्चुअल साइज पता चल सके. वो मीटर्स में या किलोमीटर्स में आपको दिया गया होता है, एंड दैट इज कॉल्ड द स्केल. सो इन दिस मैप, क्विकली टेल मी वेयर इज द स्केल. सो दिस इज द स्केल ऑफ द मैप, जो कि किलोमीटर्स के अंदर दिया गया है. So for home activities, search different maps on the internet labeled bolts. After that, take the road map of your province and label bolts on that. So अब इसमें आपने अपने मैप को लेना है और आपने इसमें bolts जो हैं उनको डिस्कस करना है. So map of Punjab, this will be the title. इसके अलावा आप इसमें compass rose direction बनाएंगे. Then you will draw the legends and this is how you will complete the bolts of your province. So map of Kenya, you can consider any map. So for evaluation, quickly tell me, what do bolts stand for? Border, orientation, legend, title and scale. Which are the 5 key elements of the map. So the practice, you can download this worksheet from the description box below, below this video, or you can get it in print from bio teacher. Write down your name and the roll number. Bolts stand for, write down, and then label the bolts in the given map. Border, title, orientation, scale, legend. So this is how you will complete it. So for homework, you will do home activity number 3 given on page number 78. And the wrap up of the lesson today, we have learned the 5 key essential features of the map, which is known as the bolt, which stands for the border, orientation, legend, title and scale. I hope you have enjoyed today's lecture. Keep everybody around you safe. Have a good day. Thank you so much and Allah Hafiz.